All right, hello guys, good day. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ezekiel Akingbola speaking. So in today's video, I want to quickly show you how the different objectives that are available for those of you that use phone to run your ad. For quite a while now, I've been interested in those that use phone to run their ads because I've been able to build different content that would help you to do that. So the app you use is called the Meta Ads Manager, the Meta Ad Manager. So either on iOS or on Android, go and get the app downloaded. And I'll be sharing with you a link to see how you can walk through this app. Now, from when I made my last video till now, there has been some different changes on the ad on the app, and I'll be sharing that with you. But majorly, what I want to do in this video is I want to show you the different objectives on that is available for those using phone and how you can maximize them and what they stand for. All right, so let me go to this is a client account. Let me go to my own account. Just a minute. So you click on here to navigate through the different ads manager ads account that you have. Just a minute. All right, so here you go. Let me select an account. Okay, let me select this one. So this account is a new account. So for those of you that are just starting up, this is what you are going to be seeing. Okay, so this is your settings button here. This is your, if you want to make any inquiry, you want to contact help or support. So those of you that want to chat up with an agent, this is where you can do that here. You have your notifications here, and if you want to create a new ad, this plus sign is what you use. And finally, if you want to get to home to see all your different ads that are currently running, you see them here. All right, so I'll click on the plus sign now to start running an ad. So let me show you the different campaigns. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different campaign objectives that are available for you. Now, you need to understand which one to use to get a better result. And this is dependent on your intention when you want to run the ad. Why do you want to run the ad? So let's start this way. Now, the only reason why you will use a post engagement, this particular post engagement, is if you want people to see your content more and to engage with it. So maybe you made a video and you want to get, and these are the only things you can get. Engagement means you are getting likes, you are getting follows, and you are getting comments. So that is post engagement. So if you want people to buy your product, or now there are strategies to that anyway. Meanwhile, when people engage with your content, there's chances that they can still buy your product. So you can still make sales while running a post engagement campaign. Do you understand? Or campaign objective. But meanwhile, in post engagement, you must notice that you are just doing it basically to get more views, more likes, more comments, and more follows on your account. That is what the post engagement is for. You cannot add a URL to post engagement when you are doing it for Instagram, for instance. If you are doing it from here, so let's quickly go through it. Post engagement, you set up your audience. These are the audience you have access to, and then you can see the once I click on the audience, I select the right audience. I select, okay, this is the post. Once I create the post, whatever it is, select the audience, and the next thing, I set up my ad, when it's going to run and deliver. I'm not seeing option to add a URL, right? Okay, now this is just available on phone. Now for video views, like the name sound, this I'm not spending time on this. All you need to get is more video views. So this one is more specific. So the engagement is specific in video views. You just want to promote your videos to get people's attention. So Facebook will be showing your videos to people who have intention or better intention or chances of watching the videos. That's what video views is for. Now, for those of you that have a URL, a landing page to a URL landing page, you have a website that you can direct people to. The best option you use is website traffic. So for those of you that are not seeing website traffic, go and update your app. You would see website traffic once you update your app. Do you understand? So once you click on it, I believe you've watched my video on how to set all these things up. So you go through these Okay, so here you can add your primary text, and here you can add the website. You can see that. So all these options are available here. So once you add the content, just a minute. Once you add the content, then you can add the website where you are taking them to. Now, meanwhile, if you want to direct people to WhatsApp, you can do that using here. So you do wa.me slash, depending on your country code, you put your country code and your phone number. Don't add the zero there also. Your phone number 81693233 25. That's my own phone number. You get it. So that's how it works. It's as simple as that. Then you select a particular button. If you want more buttons, you select the button. So for those of you that want to run ad to a particular website, a particular page, this is the best option for you. So please, I wouldn't want to more question on this, but this video I'm trying to make it very, very easy for you guys to get. So the next one is your reach. Your reach is an objective whereby you show your ad to the maximum number of people. So you just want to show them, either they react to it, either they relate with it. That doesn't count. What you want to do is that you don't want to put your work out there for people to see. And this is one of the best kind of campaign to run when you are just starting out. Now, it's you run this kind of ads to what we call the cold audience, people you don't know before. So that is what the reach objectives it works for. So, for instance, I know that I'm just starting a brand. For instance, I want to start a clothing brand. I want to run an ad. I shouldn't start running an engagement ad. I shouldn't start running a video viewer, because all these other ads, they are more expensive. But if it is rich, I would get better results because people were able to converse with my content. People were able to act with my to my react to my content. People would have been seeing my face. They'll be seeing my content out there. So with time, after some time, now when you are running this kind of ad, you make sure you are saving this kind of audience. So some of them will interact with your ad. So this is to tell you these people that are moving from cold audience to warm audience. Do you understand? Even though they've not bought from you, they are engaging with your content. So those people need to be filtered out from others, and then you can now run a website traffic to them to buy your product or something. Do you get that? So the next one is the messages campaign. The messages campaign, what it works for is for you to get more messages to your account. So I told you for WhatsApp, you can use website traffic, or you can also use the messages. So for messages, you can do messages to WhatsApp, messages to Instagram, and messages to Facebook Messenger. So let me quickly show you how that works. Okay, so you add your content, you add. So now, if I want it to WhatsApp, I will select the WhatsApp number. Do you get that? So the Instagram account you are connecting it to is what will determine the Instagram account you are connecting is what will determine the account that the messages will be going to, and the Facebook account connected. You understand? So you select your whatever you want to send to, and voila, you can see that we are not seeing anywhere we have URL. I don't think there's a URL here. Nowhere, there's no portion where I can add URL. Do you get that? So that is why in on the phone version, on the phone version, it's quite different from what you have on the mobile version. So discard. Now the next thing, the remaining two is page likes and event response. These are very easy to understand. So you want more likes, you click select that particular option. You want event responses, you click on that particular. So it is quite easy. So this video is just about the campaigns. I'll find time to create specific videos for each of these campaigns as much as possible so that you will get better understanding. But I believe this has broken it down for you to understand what objective to use for what purpose. So depending on what you want to achieve, that will determine the kind of marketing objective you are going to make use of. All right, I still remain Izuki Akingbola. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not. Like these videos, give it a thumb up, share with your friends, comment on the videos, and make sure you click on the notification bell so that I can always get notification when I start making content on this different marketing objective. See you on the other side. Thank you.